Today we are going to talk about an interesting group of countries that are shaping the global economy, the BRICS nations. So what exactly are BRICS? It's an acronym that stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. These 5 emerging economies have been identified as having significant influence on regional and global affairs due to their economic growth, population size and geopolitical importance. Now, let's take a closer look at each of these countries. Brazil, known for its vast natural resources, is the largest country in South America, despite facing economic challenges in recent years. Brazil remains a key player in global trade, especially in agriculture and commodities. Russia, with abundant natural resources and a powerful energy sector, is a major player on the global stage in its political influence and strategic position. In Eurasia, make it an important member of the BRICS group, India boasting the world's second largest population. India has experienced rapid economic growth in the past few decades. It's burgeoning middle class, technological innovation and skilled. Workforce are driving development in China, as the world's most populous country and the second largest economy. China is a global powerhouse. Its rapid economic growth, huge manufacturing base, and expanding international influence make it a critical member of the BRICS. South Africa, it has the smallest population and the economy compared to the other BRICS nations. South Africa is the gateway to the African continent. Its political stability and rich natural resources make it an important player in the global economy together. The BRICS nations represent over 40% of the world's population and 30% of the global GDP. They are working towards reducing their dependence on the US dollar and established institutions like the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank. In fact, they have created their own development bank, the New Development Bank, to finance infrastructure, projects and support sustainable development in the respective countries as the BRICS nations continue to grow and evolve. Their influence on the global economy and geopolitics is expected to increase. It's essential to keep an eye on these countries and the challenges they are facing as they navigate to the complexities of the 21st century. Saudi Arabia enters trade alliance with China, Russia, India, Pakistan and 4 Central Asian nations to step further away from the reliance on the US dollar. China and France complete the first LNG gas trade using Chinese yuan dollar out. Elon Musk believes that the loss of the US dollar as a reserve currency is a serious issue. I personally don't see USA losing reserve currency status immediately. It will be a drip decline over time. Potential issue if this happened: less investment in the US stock and bond, thereby reducing prices. Inflation would skyrocket as dollar would weaken. US may have hard time raising debt, so it would have to print its way out.